Nice juicy oxtail. Oh my word. Welcome to Amalicious Cooking. Today we're doing oxtail from start to finish. So stay tuned after this quick intro. Here my oxtail has been pre-seasoned already. So I'm just searing the meat, making sure that they get some color on them. We just caramelize. We don't want them to be too brown. So we're gonna turn them over on the other side and then take them out the pot, put them in a container, and we just do them in batches. I've got about 3 pounds of oxtail, so this is a big batch. So we have to do these in batches. So if you like my video today, please like and share. Subscribe to my channel for more meal ideas. Please turn your post notification on so you won't miss another video. So now we just putting them in the other batches. Doing the same as we done before. So I have to do a voiceover on this one because my volume on this wasn't right. So I had to do a voiceover. I hope this is better. Yes, I hope it is better today. So this is my second batch and I'm just gonna get them nice and seared, making sure that they get some colors, turning them over on the other side and taking them out. Wow, this oxtail is so nice and juicy. It was delicious, really delicious. I absolutely love cooking oxtail. It's one of my favorite meat to cook. Yes, one of my favorite. So now we're turning them over and as you can see, we're just trying to get some color on them. Look at that. So we're gonna take them out. And then this is my last batch. So this is what I'm gonna do with these. The same, browning them off and remove them from the pot. Well, look at that. That look really good. Every one of us cook oxtail differently. This is how I like cooking it. So please don't be disappointed in my video. It's really good, and if you give it a try, I don't think you'll be disappointed. I think cooking it this way, for me, because I've eaten it many different ways, the flavors is just more in depth. It's really nice. Please try it, guys, and then let me know in the comment section what you think after you've tried it, because I would like to hear from everyone. Now in my description I would leave a link to other videos and also a full recipe list of what I've used to season this oxtail. So just check out my description. You will see all the information there and all links to other platforms. I'm on Facebook and I'm Instagram. I also do a bit of TikTok. So you can check out my other videos. Now this is all of it that I've done so far, so I'm just gonna add it back to the pot and add my seasoning. So this is like the scallion thyme and all the other seasoning, peppers and stuff that I've seasoned the meat with. So this is gonna add to the pot and we're gonna saute the vegetable. I am also gonna add some fresh vegetables with it as well, fresh seasoning, like some fresh tomatoes, as I'm doing there with peppers and everything. So this, I'm gonna saute everything before I add any liquid to the pot, because I need to get them seasoning, sauteed. They all come together with the meat. It just gives it a more in-depth taste. And this is how I do my oxtail. So we all do it differently. Yes. So as you see, we're just trying to soften up all the ingredients, all the seasoning together, making sure that they come together with the meat before I'm adding any liquid to it. Yes, so we're just stirring it around. Give it a few minutes, about 5 minutes, to kind of soften up a bit. And then we can add our liquid a little bit later, but for now we're just trying to get all the seasoning, we release all its flavors before I add any liquid to it. So now I will be adding some warm water. That's what I add to it, some warm water, just to make sure that, you know, we don't stop the cooking process or delay it in any way. I put some pimento berries in there because oxtail nice with pimento berries. You can't really not use pimento berries in oxtail. So now I'm just stirring, making sure that all the flavors is combined together properly. Wow, look how it look nice though. Wow, beautiful. I absolutely love oxtail. It's one of my favorite meat to have. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. So if you get to this far, guys, like the video, leave a comment, share with a friend of a friend, and let me know what you think so far. Okay, I will also leave links to other videos that you can watch if you're interested. You can also check out my playlist, and it is there. I'm hoping to get that to that first 1,000 subscribers soon, so please help me get on the way. So now I am just adding some water to it. Yes, so it's adding water, and we're just gonna let it simmer, slow cook. So first I'm gonna bring it up to like a rapid boil, and then reduce the heat. So we're just adding some water, hot water this is, and just to, you know, keep the cooking process to the same. Right, so look at this, guys. Wow, looks so good. You should smell it. Beautiful. Yeah, so we're just checking here to make sure that the meat, you know, the liquid is not dried out. So you have to keep an eye on your food when you're cooking it. Meat, anything that you're cooking, keep an eye on it. So now we just give it in another check just to make sure that it's not, the water or the liquid is not dried out, and the meat, look at that. Wow, it's beautiful, beautiful. So now we're cooking, we're adding some butter beans. It's about 2 cans of butter beans. I've rinsed them off, so I'm gonna add this for the last 10 minutes of cooking time for the oxtail. So we just want to get it nice and combined because the butter beans from the can is already cooked. So another 10 minutes and this is supposed to be ready. So yeah, another 10 minutes should be done. So this is just to get the butter bean all combined and absorb the juices from the meat, and, you know, give that nice, a little more thickness, and we don't want it all mushy, you know, so we just want the butter beans to absorb all that oxtail juice, and when you bite into it, whew. So we're just adding a little ketchup, about a tablespoon of ketchup, you know, so sometimes we need a little bit of ketchup in it. And at this time, if you also like to, you can also add a little bit of sugar, give it a nice little sweet taste, not too much. Just add like a tablespoon if you want, or a teaspoon you can add. So we're just gonna make it, you know, simmer a little bit for another 10 minutes, and it should be ready. Wow, look at that. Tell me if your mouth now run water. Yes. And this oxtail was so nice. It was delicious. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. I did this voiceover about a week and a half after I've cooked it, and believe me, it was delicious. Thank you again for watching, guys, my video. Please like and share, subscribe, and welcome to the family, all my subscribers. all the ones that have not yet subscribed, I hope you join the family soon. Love you. Stay blessed. Thank you.